Hi, Madam D, what are you doing?
Hi, Miss Lee. I'm frying some chicken nugget for our tea break later.
Wow, that looks so good. Do you have any tips to go along?
We have chili sauce, but I ran out of mayonnaise actually.
Oh dear, why don't we make our homemade mayonnaise?
That sounds great. Let's do it.
Hi everyone, I'm Miss April Lee, one
Hi.
of the teacher teaching food and consumer education in this school.
I'm Madam D. I'm also teaching food and consumer education in this school itself.
Today we're going to teach you how to do our homemade mayonnaise, which is healthier and better tasting.
Enjoy!
So firstly, what you have to do will be to crack the egg inside the blender, after which you add a little bit of salt and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. That will stabilize the mixture. And after that, what we need to do is to drizzle the oil inside in a progressive manner. Alright, so we'll drizzle a little bit first. And then after that, we will cover up the blender and then we will start blending the mixture. So blend it for around close to 20 seconds and then you can open it up again and pour some more oil inside by drizzling it. Okay, then we'll close it up and we will blend it again. In this process, what the egg yolk does is to emulsify. That means to let the fats in the mixture and the liquid portion blend and bond well together so that they stay uniform in the mixture. They will not separate out into one layer of oil and one layer of water. Okay, so after that, we will drizzle some more oil and blend. We will continue this process until the texture or the consistency of the sauce reach what we want. It's completed. That's easy, isn't it?
Yes, let's try it.
Alright. Tastes really nice.
It's best when we homemade. Do try it out at home.
Remember to have your parents doing it with you because it can be dangerous. Madam D, what are you doing?
Hi, April. Oh, no.
Remember to have your parent guiding you when you are doing this.
Bye.
Just April will put your mouth.